Hello everyone. I want to explain to you how to identify and how to fix one of the most common and problematic errors in academic writing. This error is called the comma splice. Now, a comma splice occurs when a comma is incorrectly used to join two sentences. Now, in this particular example on the screen, we see that this actually happens in the very first sentence of the essay. Of course, you don't want to establish your essay with an error just for the sake of giving the reader a sense of credibility about your writing. But let's look at this particular comma and why it is not correct. So we have a command, just use that restroom, which in and of itself is a full and complete sentence. Then on the other side of the comma, we have written a question. What is the big deal? This also has all of the elements to be a complete sentence. In other words, I have sentence number 1 here and sentence number 2 over here. A comma splice occurs when I try to use a comma to separate those two sentences, and that can never happen. You have three choices regarding how to fix this. You can use a period here and capitalize the W, or you can use comma and a conjunction like the word and, one of the fanboys. Just use that restroom, comma. So, what is the big deal? So is another one of the fanboys. Or the most common fix is just to take this comma and add a dot above it and make it a semicolon. Now that comma and semicolon are basically the same as a comma and one of the fanboys, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Whatever the case, don't try to separate two separate sentences with just a comma. Use a period, a semicolon, or a comma and one of the fanboys.